case of students charged in connection with alleged sexual assault at St. College School was back in court today. Here's a live look at the courthouse on Jarvis near Gerrard, where lawyers for the teens appeared and dealt with procedural matters. The boys are charged with gang sexual assault with a weapon, and assault. They cannot be identified due to the Youth Criminal Justice Act. Police say the alleged incident occurred at the private all-boys school back in October. Most of the teens were expelled, and the St. Michael's principal and board president resigned following the incident. For the latest on today's developments in court, let's go live now to CP24's crime specialist, Steve Ryan. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning, G. As you said, this was a procedural appearance today. There was issues discussed about disclosure. So what we can expect for the next few months is that defense counsel will show up on a regular basis, probably every month or so, and they will collect new disclosure from the Crown, and there will be Crown pretrials set up between the defense counsel and the Crown. Now, one of the defense counsel who was representing one of these young men in court this morning spoke to the media afterwards, and here's what she said about some of what took place in the courtroom today. Take a listen.
Between last date and this date, we received disclosure. On today's date, we received even more disclosure. The Crown on the record stated that there will be more disclosure to come, but she still wants each counsel for each accused to book something called a Crown pretrial. So that means the first step in moving the case forward would be that each counsel speaks separately with the Crown on this case. So that's what's going to be happening.
G, disclosure, for anybody who's curious about what that exactly means, that is the Crown attorney's entire case. So every bit of evidence that the police relied upon to lay the charge has to be turned over to each and every defense counsel and their accused. So this is what's going on now. This will happen on the next date as well, but I'm sure we'll be here to report it to you. But for now, I'll send it back to you.